Welcome to Papa's Workshop. I rarely do any type of product reviews any longer, but today I've got a real surprise. Yes, I'm doing a product review, and this is the power bank by JDB. This power bank has solved a huge problem that I have had in my shop for a long time, and this is the solution. My camera is my phone, and my phone oftentimes will go dead. With a dead battery, I can't do any filming. This has solved the problem. I can plug this in and keep creating the videos. What a lifesaver this has been, and I want to talk about this more with you today. So let's get started. In my shop, there is nothing worse than being in the middle of recording a video and have my phone battery going dead, and I have to take it over and plug it in and wait and wait and wait for it to recharge. With this power bank, I'm now able to be mobile. I can continue videoing, and that has really increased my production. Now, I know a lot of you guys love the technical side of it. So what I'm going to do, rather than just reading that information to you, I'm going to show it to you. So here's a list on the box of exactly the different parameters that this offers. Give you just a second to be able to look at that. And of course, you can stop the video and be able to look at it closer. Now, the other thing that I want to point out is I have an old cell phone. Mine is not an 8, a 10, or even the 11. No, mine is a 5. So it's a very old cell phone, and it still works real well, and this power bank works extremely well charging it. Now, I've used it to charge my phone, and I've used it to charge the iPad, and it works great. The best thing that I like about it is that it is certainly mobile and keeps me going. Now, one of the things I'm going to be doing very soon is making some camera booms around the shop so that I can get rid of the tripods and be able to have the cameras mounted there. And I'm going to make a place on that boom to be able to slide in this power bank. Again, all designed to keep me able to video and not have to stop in the middle of filming something. I can actually charge several devices at once. I have 2 USB ports here, plus I have the Type-C port that is used on the newer phones. But this allows me to be able to, in my case, to be able to use the 2 USB ports and be able to charge both my cell phone and my iPad at the same time. And that's real important to me. So I want to thank them for sending this to me and being able to solve one of the biggest problems that I have in my shop. And I think that you guys will find this very, very useful in your lives as well. When I unpackage this power bank, it was 50% charge. And one of the nice things about that, when you turn this on, you have 4 little lights that are indicated here. And this gives you the battery level. Now, when it's full charge, of course, you're going to have all 4 lights showing. So what I would recommend is when you first get this power bank, go ahead and plug it in and charge it overnight, and you'll be ready to go. Now, this power bank also comes with the USB cables, so all you need to be able to do is plug this right into here, and then you can plug it into the wall. Now, I have the wall outlet, so I can just plug it in with the USB port, or you can plug this into your computer on the USB port and charge it that way. The end of the power bank. Now, this shows the 2 USB ports and here in the center is the Type C port. On the side, this is the port that you're going to use to be able to plug in the cord that was provided with the power bank and be able to charge it. To be able to use the two USB. And of course on this side, this is your power indicator. So when I turn this on, you can see in this case all 4 lights are showing, so that's still 100% power, and I've been using this now for a couple of days on this charge. So when 3 lights show, you'll be at 75%. When 2 lights are showing, you'll be at 50% power. To be able to get a significant discount for this. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.